Newsflash, it's the next morning. And after I got all the sprayers out of there, I thought there was going to be enough water pressure to allow both of these two sprayers to work and cover this area, half circles, with just 1/4 inch tubing. And it just wouldn't do it. It only sprayed about 3/4 to 7/8. And I thought, nope, I'm not going to do that, because if the water pressure ever decreases, or if something else, if she ever wants to add something else onto her drip irrigation system, it's not going to have enough water. And there wasn't enough room. I even took one of them off and just had one sprayer. Put one sprayer here, it almost would cover it with just one. But I thought, nope, nothing doing. I'm going to do two. And so I'm putting two sprayers here, two sprayers there. You know what that means? That means I had to tie in, just like how I did this, with the elbow, fish it through there. And I put in another one for the second one. So that second one's going over here like that. The third one is going up over there. And a fourth one is going up. And see, that's how I kept it tight to the brick, putting the 90-degree elbows on there. Okay. And so now I know there's going to be enough. And I'll still dig it down just a little bit down into this dirt, just so I can get the tubings placed exactly where I want. And then I'll go ahead and turn it on. And what I'll probably end up doing is, because there's an overlap on the middle, I don't want to do it in thirds. I want to do this one, move it over a little bit, move this one over a little bit, and then there's the adjustment knob on there, and then there'll be a good amount there, and then I can adjust these however. I can make them a little bit harder, a little bit shorter, lesser, and do that and get this all set up. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I hope you learned something on this video.